Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, now there is a new project. Not that there's a new project, there are always new projects. When I mean project, new cryptocurrencies coming out every day. Safe Mars, Safe Moon, and all these safe. Now, a lot of people are talking about these cryptocurrencies. Oh, they are shit coins. Most of them are scam. Yes, we know most of them don't really have a vision. You get? We know most of them may not really stand the test of time. This is just like a Ponzi scheme. But the truth is, are people making money out of it? Yes, people are making money out of Safe Moon. Don't get it twisted. People are making money out of Safe Mass and all these safe, all these new cryptocurrencies that are just coming out right now. Even if they are shit coins and they have no vision, like I said earlier, people are making money from them. How? The thing is, if you enter early, do you get me? You'll be able to make your money and come out. Now, I want to use this as an example. I'm going to be clicking new project now. Now, there's the third coin here on the list is BAFE. I don't know if it's Bafe or Bafe or whatsoever. If you count the zeros, you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros before 5. Do you understand? Now, there's something I've come to realize about all these cryptocurrencies, guys. Let me use this as an example. I'm going to be using Akita, which is under this Buffet coin. If you calculate the zeros, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros, right? Now, what have I noticed? Okay, let me come down again. Let's use Shiba. Shiba is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, 5 zeros before the digit. Do you understand? Now, there's something I've noticed. If you go and check Safe Moon too, you see, I think it's 5 zeros too. Now, what am I saying in essence? These coins will grow from whatever to 5 zeros before they actually have any resistance. Now, what am I saying in essence? Now, look at this Buffett. It's a new project. It's a new cryptocurrency that just came out. I think they just launched it right now on Hotbit Exchange. Now, let me click this token right now. As you can see, the 15 minutes chart, there is really nothing much to show for. Like they just listed it on Binance now, and it's really growing fast. Like I said, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay, now let's say we want to buy this currency. Let's say we want to buy 200 million pieces of this. 200 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if we buy 200 million of this coin, we'll be spending only just $11. $11. Okay, I want to quickly do a calculation for you right now. Now, let's say for instance, because definitely it will get to that 5 zeros. Let me not lie to you. It will get to that 5 zeros before it now starts facing any resistance. Go and check all these new cryptocurrencies that has been doing well, that just came out and people are overhyping. Yes, like I said earlier, there might be shit coins, but if you step in early, you will make your profit. Now, let me do a calculation for you right now. Let's say 0.0012345. It got to 5 zeros before, let's say 4, right? The Buffett coin is what I'm doing right now. Then you times it. Let's say you were able to buy 200 million pieces. Times it times 200. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're making $800. Do you get? And you spent how much? How much did you spend? $11. Do you see? You're making $800 before it gets to that 5 zeros where you now start facing any resistance, whether it's going to go up or come down. Now, if you watch, I gave you I showed you some coins just to prove to you guys. I showed you some coins just to prove to you, and it's true. You can go and do your research. Now, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Buffett coin. If you want to invest in Buffett coin, you can, but I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just trying to let you know that most of all these cryptocurrencies, which are, yes, we know, shit coins, which are, yes, we know, they don't really have a vision yet, which are, yes, we know, might be maybe scam. I don't know. But like I said earlier, most of them always get to 5 zeros. Let me quickly run to my Trust Wallet and check for Safe Moon, because I think I bought Safe Moon recently. Now let's count Safe Moon's zero, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? I've counted 3 different cryptocurrencies now for you that just came out that are trending. They always get to 5 zeros before they face any resistance. Do you understand? So let's go back to this oddbit. Let's click this Buffett that just came out right now that has over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, which I believe will also get to 5 zeros. Do you get? This is not a financial advice. I don't know. It may not work, but I just believe that it will work because I've been monitoring all these new currencies lately. Do you get? So let's say, for instance, it is you have $20 to spend. So let's say we are buying 500 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's just say we are buying 500 million pieces, $29. Then it gets to that 5 zeros. Let's say 0.0012, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. It gets to 0.0004. Then you times it times your 500 million pieces that you bought. You're having $2,000. $2,000. And how much did you spend, guys? How much did you spend? You just spent only $29. So this is where you can make your money from these shit coins. This is only where you can make your money, when you enter early, when you jump into the trade early. Once you hit, you come out with your profit. Do you get? That's just it. Nothing else. So I don't know if they would stand the test of time. Most of them are shit coins, like I said earlier. They may not stand the test of time, but you can actually make your money from them. So this is why Hotbit is... I love Hotbit. Why do I love Hotbit? Because of this new project aspect here. You can be checking this new project as time goes on to see new cryptocurrencies to invest in and make quick money, sharp money. Like within the next, I don't know how long this might take just 1 week, because SafeMoon didn't take a longer time before it hits the 50 whatever I'm talking about. Akita didn't take... We all know when Akita came out. I think it was last week. Now it has already gotten to the 5 zeros. We all know when Shiba came out. Now it has gotten to 5 zeros. So I don't know how long this will also take, this Buffet will take before it gets to the 5 zeros. But you can also make your money. Do you understand, guys? This is just it. So, like I said, I will still keep saying it. I'm not a financial advisor. Just have it straight. I'm just observing. This is my observation, guys. Thank you very much.